Sinfully acquired wealth may remain for 10 years, in the 11th year it disappears with even the original stock. Moral excellence is an ornament for personal beauty, righteous conduct, for high birth, success for learning, and proper spending for wealth. For the moon, though one, dispels the darkness, which the stars, though numerous, cannot. Books are as useful to a stupid person as a mirror is useful to a blind person. A person who cannot decide his goal, simply cannot win. The wealth earned by unjust means will perish for sure.